Hi children. Now open your students book page number 63. You can see here the uses of magnets. Okay, uses of magnets, and you can see some of the pictures over here. You can see the sticky notes. Okay, the sticky notes sticking on the board. Then you can see again on the refrigerator some of the sticky notes. Then some small magnets on the board, they kept it here. And here in the next page you can see a compass. What is this? A compass. This compass. Inside this compass there is a magnet. Okay, this compass is a device that used to see the direction. Okay, used to see the direction. Always the point of this, always you can see in this diagram, you can see the point of this compass pointed towards the needle of this compass pointed towards the north direction, right? The red color you can see in the on the north direction. So to see the direction, always the travelers bring this compass, take this compass when they are traveling. Okay, you can see the information about the compass. It's here. See, with remember that the center of the earth contains iron and is magnetic. Without this we could not find our way with a compass. The earth acts like a big bar magnet with a north pole and a south pole. The needle of a compass is a small magnet. It spins freely around a pin. The needle is attracted to one of the Earth's magnetic poles. The direction of needle points in is called north. Okay, only the north position there. The needle always pointing towards the north position. So they are discussing some of the uses of the magnet. Here I am going to show you the same compass. Okay, the uses of magnets. The first one, this is the compass. What is the name? Compass. And here also you can see the green color needle. The green color of this needle pointed towards the north direction. Okay, so this is the compass. Always the travelers are carrying this one when they are traveling to see the direction, to know the direction. Then another use you can say, see, I want to stick this worksheet on my board. Okay, on my white board. So what can I do? This is a long magnet. Okay, this is a long magnet. I can keep the magnet over the paper so it's stick there. Now you can see that it is sticking. If I am taking this one the same way, it's not falling down. Okay, it's not falling down. So the worksheet I can keep on the board. Okay, the worksheet I can keep on the board. So this is one of the use. Okay, the same small magnets we can keep on the board. The same way, why it's attracting actually? Because the board is made of iron. Okay, the board is made of magnetic metal, so it can be attracted to the board. Now again another use, the same way. See, now it's the small magnets are attracting on the board. The same way on the refrigerator you can stick some of the things. Okay, on the another use, refrigerator magnets, refrigerator. Okay, on the refrigerator we can put some of the sticky notes like this. Okay, maybe your mom want to say you something like drink your milk, drink tea. Okay, or something you want to stick on the sticky notes, you can stick it on the refrigerator. Okay, as a sticky note, like see I'm considering this one as my sticky note, and I can keep it on the refrigerator like this way, and I can write some important notes on it. Tomorrow I want to do something, okay, to-do list. Maybe I can prepare a to-do list and I can keep it on the refrigerator. So these are the small uses of the magnets. There are many uses in the big machines like big machines like taking the garbage. They can use the magnets in that one. Then they can separate the iron metal garbage, metal waste, and another waste they can separate. Okay, so there are many use of magnets. Some of them I showed you, and this is the important one as I showed here, the compass. Okay, compass. Then keeping the to-do list notes or something. Okay, refrigerator, on the refrigerator you can use it. Then again, as I told you before, on the board, the worksheet or anything, you can keep it on the board. So these are the some of the uses of this magnet.